Uh, Hi guys, good evening. Today we are posting a video analysis on Bandhan Bank, a stock to watch out for Monday. So me and Akshita will take you through with the technical analysis as well as some derivative data of Bandhan Bank. Okay.
Hi guys, I'm Akshita Bahel and I'll be taking you through the technical analysis of Bandhan Bank. So as we can see, in the last few weeks, it has formed the ascending triangle, and there has been a breakout at 282 level, and we expect it to go till 320 in the short term. And in the last week, there has been a good volume also. The volume in the last 4 days has crossed the average volume level also. And in the RSI is forming an inverted head and shoulders. Uh, the level has been broken, the neckline has been broken. So that is also a good indicator for the stock to reach the level of 320. There is a slight resistance at 300 level, but if it sustains that, then 320 is the right
Fair
entry
enough.
point.
And also people will be expecting a downside and support. Support we expect Bandhan Bank to take support somewhere near 260, 270 levels. It'll be better to consider support at 265 levels. What's Akshita? Do you agree with
Yeah.
it? Okay,
Yes.
let us come to the derivative part of Bandhan Bank. So this is the option chain of Bandhan Bank, and these are the different strikes. Bandhan Bank is closed at 284. You can see the future price closing at 284, and at 300 call, at 300 strike, we have seen the highest open interest in call side, which is 5,83,200 shares. So I expect this to have be the resistance for Bandhan Bank in short term. If you notice here, there are 4 lakh shares at 260 strike. There are 3 lakh shares at 280 strike. The call writers at these strikes are at risk right now if Bandhan Bank is able to hold the above levels. So if Bandhan Bank is able to hold 280, we are expecting there to be these call writers to come and cover their positions, so which will lead to a short covering rally in Bandhan Bank. And with that momentum and the technical analysis which we have done for Bandhan Bank, we expect this stock to see a massive short covering rally on Monday, which will take it to 300 levels. That would be the first target. And if we are able to cross 300 convincingly, we may also see 320 in coming days. So for Bandhan Bank, this is a stock to watch out for Monday. So at current level, we expect targets to be somewhere between 300 to 320 with stop loss below 260 and support near 265. So one can add near 265 and take a stop loss below 260. So that's all guys for this, and we'll be posting more videos. Hopefully you like it and come back and watch more of this technical analysis which we'll be doing. Thank you.
Thank you.